We're in Montenegro.
Montenegro.
We're trying to go to the center, but Google doesn't work here, so
Nothing seems
we have to
work.
walk. What do you think, Aiden? First impressions?
It's what you'd see on the internet when you put like classic Balkan memes, you know, like Balkan pages. It looks exactly the same.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state.
You don't like it?
Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. In the sun when I found you, the one you call.
Tour. Show them.
Oh, okay. So this is the bedroom. This is where the magic happens. We have a little thing there.
Towel.
It's nice. Then we have the living room. It's a bit messy at the moment, but the main thing is we have aircon. We have a kitchen. We have a TV. And we also have a nice little balcony where we can enjoy the view.
We also have a pool.
Community pool downstairs. And if you're watching this, and if you want to stay over, we also have a sofa bed. So feel free.
Oh, we have a pool. So nice.
Yeah, it's cold though.
We're at the beach. So packed.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
But okay. We just went to the beach. So nice, relaxing.
Had stuff to the beach. No, we had a nice time. It was relaxing. It was good.
Now we're heading to the city center.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels like Rome.
Day 2, same clothes.
Going to the beach.
Yeah.
How would you rate Montenegro so far?
It's nice, man. I would say I'm gonna give it like an 8.
Yeah, it's
An 8.
nice.
It feels like Budva feels like the place I like the different Europe going on holiday. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Like, you don't find any much English here, but I don't know. It feels like we're Polish, like Czechs, like maybe Ukrainians,
Balkans.
Balkan people. Yeah, like you know, like maybe like the Western Europe will go to like Croatia. There's like the other side of Europe will come here on holiday, and it's just really
It's
nice.
nice,
Man.
very
Good prices.
relaxed.
Yeah,
And
very,
good
very
prices.
relaxed. Yeah, prices and very like lively. It feels very peaceful. It's nice. Man.
Yeah, it's nice. Now we're off to the beach. Where are we going?
We're going to
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Yes.
It was only €5 to go there.
Not bad.
But we'll see. I think it's a scam.
See?
When we get there, it's like €20 everything.
Always be turning my sky blue, but maybe I can't get to you. Why don't you come to
thoughts?
The budget Hawaii.
Yeah, what do you think? For
Look,
€5,
it's
I
nice.
think
Yeah,
it's okay.
look, €5 they take you to around the whole bay, then they bring you back, and I think it's a very, very good price, man.
Yeah,
And
it's nice.
yeah, the sand is not Hawaii, but I think it's
Just
nice.
rocks.
It's nice.
But still like something new.
It's all